My name is Ross Frisby. I'm Head of Business at University Centre Shrewsbury. This is the first in a series of lectures based on maximising creativity to support your business. These are only 1 to 2 minute lectures. The first one's about effective goal setting for staff. And a lot of businesses think performance planning meetings are primarily led by the manager. Now, I still think the manager does need to do a little bit of that, but we're going to particularly be focusing on the process of moving the responsibility over to the member of staff. So hopefully this will maximize their creativity and their motivation and commitment to getting the job done and achieving that goal for you. So the process would be to start with, remind staff of the overall business goal. What is the outcome that you're actually looking for? Provide that in detail, like the second bullet point says. You've got to try and make sure that the employee can really see what that goal looks like, and can they see what it looks like for them, ideally. You then want to move towards to check that the employee does believe in themselves enough to achieve that goal. Can they reiterate back to you what it would look like for them as they've achieved the goal? Can they actually see themselves doing it? So ask them to describe back to you what that would look like, so you can get it. Can you see the image well enough as to reassure you that they're ready to take on that challenge? Now, what this is all about is trying to instill a real sense of belief and confidence in your employee. You know what it's like when you're confident with something, you can get on and do it without too much intervention from any other people. So hopefully if your staff can see the goal, have already seen themselves do it, that will really reassure them the fact that they can do it, and you can more or less leave them to go in and achieve that goal without too much further intervention from yourself. But what we'll look at in the next few lectures is what your role is to support the process of the staff getting there. Hope you found that helpful. We'll move on to lecture 2 shortly.